Let's learn how to blur a license plate in Adobe After Effects. Start by making sure your clip is in the timeline. Select your clip and look for the tracker panel. If you don't see it, go to the top menu bar, click on Window and enable the tracker panel from there. In the tracker panel, click on the Track Motion button. 2 tracking boxes should appear on the screen. If they don't, click on the Options button in the tracker panel and ensure that the Track Fields option is checked. Now, drag and position the 2 tracking boxes around the license plate. Place one on the left side and the other on the right side of the plate. Adjust the size of these boxes slightly to ensure better tracking. Once positioned, press the Analyze Forward button in the tracker panel and wait for After Effects to track the license plate throughout the clip. When the tracking is complete, right-click in the timeline. Hover over New and select Null Object. Go back to the tracker panel, click on Edit Target and choose the null object layer. Finally, click Apply to link the tracking data to the null object. Next, right-click in the timeline again. Hover over New and select Adjustment Layer. Go to the Effects and Presets panel, search for Fastbox Blur and drag it onto your adjustment layer. Now, use the pen tool to create a mask around the license plate on the adjustment layer. Finally, link the adjustment layer to the null object layer using the Pick Whip tool. Play the video to confirm that the license plate is blurred throughout the clip. That's it. The effect is complete. Thanks for watching.